Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to purchase a highway vignette in the Barion application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the market button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the highway vignette button. And first you have to set your vehicle. If that is done, then you have to choose a vignette type. So the highway vignettes, you can choose from three options: the weekly, the monthly, and the yearly vignette. So just click on the one, and as you can see, you can also select if you want this for February, March, April, so the month. And then if you want to receive an invoice, then just click on the white circle next to it and give an invoice address. So that's that. And if you're done with everything, just click on the Buy with Barion button and your vignette is purchased. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.